So this is the Travelodge Tamworth, the M42, and it's right at the moto services, which are just a short walk over there. And we stayed to go to Drayton Manor for one night. So we've got a pretty standard room for a Travelodge. These have been updated, so they're the new style ones. So we've got space here for clothes and luggage, tea and coffee, kettle, it's pretty clean in there. Plenty of sockets, TV, got a radiator there for if it's a bit cold. Got one of the rooms towards the back, so it's backing onto the trees. We're in family room, so we've got a double bed and two singles. We only need one single. And then in the bathroom, you've got bath with the shower over. And then like a shorter bath than a standard bath, but it's plenty just to have a shower in, or if you wanted to have a bath, or especially for your kids. And that's it. We paid £40 for a Saturday night at the May bank holiday, so it's not a bad price at all for three of us.